Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my base store. I don't try to teach you anything, I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor esperen. Alright guys, we have a Steel MS 170. Right here, the change looks good. I like it. Everything so far I like about this machine. Remember, in case you new in my store, I take everything apart, disassemble it. Like that, I can show you more. And I can be fair with you guys and everything that I do. Like that, when you receive the machine, you're fair with me. But remember that I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Maybe it's nothing wrong with it. I don't care. I sell for parts because maybe you just want this part, for example. Or you want that part or this part. Or you just want to hang it because you like to collect. And if you're that type of person, you're in the right place. My God, look at this girl. You can tell she hasn't going out that much. You see that? Look at that. Beautiful. So far everything looks good. We're gonna check the acceleration. Remember, I'm gonna give it a shot to see where we are. In case you're new in my store, we're gonna try to start this baby. Acceleration, everything looks good so far. We're gonna go inside there. You can see it's a little dirty, maybe. No, looks good. It looks bueno. It's been used, but it looks good. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Let me check the clutch to see where everything was good. Okay, it's locked. Open. Okay. You know what? I think it's missing the... Oh yeah, it's missing something. My God, experience. Only experience would do something like this. Alright, you can tell here, I think it's missing the thing that holds the little clutch. I mean, when I start, I'm gonna be careful. Not like that, this doesn't go away. Let me see if I can push it at least a little way in. Like that we can do, but you can tell that it's missing the little something there. It goes there. I'm gonna put a strap, at least we can hold the punch and we can keep going. Alright, we know already the lock works. Oh, we're gonna go here on the main. Oh my God, look, she's shy. Look at that, huh? Oh my God, girl, look at you. Look at you. Beautiful, that looks good. Alright, you have it here, guys. Remember, sell for parts. Alright, enough is enough. We're gonna give it a shot to see where we are with this baby. Let's hit it. We're good? Alright. I took this apart. In this case, I already checked that we got a little gas there. And everything smells good with her. Alright, we're good there. I already dropped pictures inside, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, we're good here. Let me put at least a screw. I'm gonna put the one here. One here. I think we're missing one so far. I know, it's taking a long time. Come on, Roberto. Hurry up, I know. Everybody's in a rush these days. That's gonna about to take. You wanna see? Alright. Oh, my glasses fell. Sorry about that. Alright, we're good. Alright. This is the spark plug. They came with it. You always gotta check it, guys. It looks a little decent now. We're gonna do the quick 305. Alright, we're good. Always first put with a hand and then use in case you want to use the drill, okay? But always first the hands, guys. Well, I didn't change the coil, my bad. I know, a little sloppy, huh? It's the last one. I don't know why every time I'm doing the last one I always get sloppy. Alright, we got coil, we're good. Alright, we're good here. We're good on the gas, which is gonna check. This one doesn't have boom boom, we have choke. Alright, we're good there. We're gonna throw a little gasoline. Everybody always asking, especially the ones that are looking for excuses, like if I'm putting pure gasoline for the motor, because you will be surprised at people that will ask you questions, trying to find excuse because I do videos, I do everything the way I do is fuel. You know how it is. This is mixed gasoline, guys, please. Each is a gasoline for the 305, that means it's better. I like that. You throw a little bit there, not too much. You accelerate like that, we'll go. Let me throw it. I throw a little bit. Go like that. Alright, let's hit it. I forgot to put the see, guys, you didn't tell me anything. Only one man army here, unbelievable. We almost lose this part. Alright, let me take it for the test. I'll put it later. Okay, this is gonna take it. I gotta be careful because the clutch can come out. If I accelerate too much, this can come out, okay? I gotta be careful. Alright, let's hit it. Alright, coming. Easy, girl. You're ready gonna be adopted. Don't worry about it. You're gonna find a home with that spirit and that attitude, girl. You already made it, and you didn't even know it. Alright, let me check here. I didn't check the oil. If it was too much or too little, I forgot now. I didn't check the oil, but it didn't drop anything. Alright, guys, we have it here so far. We know the handle works, coil works, flywheel works. Out of that, guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, it's on you. Why? Because I sell for parts. Maybe you want this part, this part, this part. Or maybe you want to hang it. Alright, guys, thank you for everything. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, tenemos una 170. La niña está ansiosa. Se ve que no la sacaron mucho a jugar. Si se fijan bien por dentro, ustedes que saben, vieron el pistón, vieron todo, me luce bien. Pero recuérdense que hay un problema. Yo vendo para partes. Puede estar funcionando 100%, a mí no me importa. ¿Por qué? Porque yo vendo para partes. Puede ser que usted quiera esta parte, quiera esta parte o quiera esta parte. Usted la quiere guindar. Si es así, aquí estamos, mi gente. Ya saben que se una la raza. Oh, la ladera funciona, la bobina funciona, la mariposa funciona. Lógico, vieron que prendió, pero bueno. Ya saben, mi gente, aquí estamos. Que se una la raza.